So I'm standing behind this range of light filtering roller blind fabrics, and this is the Palm Beach. And I just want to talk about some of the characteristics of a light filtering fabric. Like this one, you can see we get lots and lots of natural light. Like this one, we get day and nighttime privacy. And like this one here, we can hide an ugly view, or we can add that security into a frosted window or in a bathroom where you don't want to move the blind all the time. You just want that one product that's going to stay. Light filter may be a consideration for you. Palm Beach light filter is a beautiful, plain, thick light filtering fabric, and it's been really popular on the iSeekBlinds website for many years. Great range of colors. Linesque light filter brings a beautiful linen texture to a light filter fabric and makes any window look stunning. The way we've got the colors presented here is exactly the same as the blockout roller blind colors. So there is a matching Linesque blockout roller blind and a matching Linesque light filter blind. So you'll see them in the same order right here.